Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by grabbing the shipping facts from Amazon right away. Identify the carrier, tracking number, shipment date, and the Amazon order ID. This is the core data you will map. Once you have that row or CSV, normalize fields so carrier names match eBay conventions. Make sure to keep item SKUs and quantities aligned. Mismatches cause eBay updates to fail. Now prepare a simple spreadsheet with columns: eBay order ID, carrier, tracking number, ship date, and item quantity. Next, you convert that normalized data into eBay-ready format. Map carriers to eBay codes, or choose other and include the carrier name. Consistency matters. Once done, reformat tracking numbers to remove spaces and ensure dates use YMMDD. If you have many orders, assemble a batch CSV with eBay columns or build an API payload. Include order ID, shipment status, carrier, and tracking. Make sure quantities match the eBay order lines. Otherwise, eBay may not accept the update. Finally, you import the file or send the API request to update eBay. After upload, verify a handful of orders on eBay to confirm tracking appears and status shows as shipped. Once confirmed, monitor for error reports or rejected rows and reprocess only those. If something goes wrong, check CSV headers, carrier code mismatches, and that Amazon order ID match eBay order ID or custom order references. One key troubleshooting tip: reformat data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.